って脚立登ってみるかね。
Hi guys! So, it's our day 2 here. Day 2 ba? Or day 3 na pala. It's our day 3 here in Hokkaido and today we're going to Furano. At ito, nag-rent kami ng car going there. Medyo expensive. It's a bit expensive but because we're going to several places. So, we decided to just go there by getting a private car, renting a private car. And so here, our first stop is mag-cherry picking kami. Favorite ko talaga. Sabi ko kailangan dahil dito kami ngayon, kailangan ma-experience ko ang cherry picking at pumulito ko ang cherries. So, ayan. So, I'm so excited. So, I'll share some videos later. See you later. So, we are here. Nandito na kami sa Ohashi Cherry Farm. Wow. We are here. Look at that. Ohashi Cherry Farm. Yes. Medyo mainit, guys. Hindi medyo, mainit talaga. So, mainit dito sa area na to. Ayan. Look. Ohashi Cherry Farm. Wow, look at the flowers. Ang ganda. Look at that, guys. Ayan. No more cherries.
Yeah, we'll see you, yeah?
Yeah, see you soon.
So,
See you.
ako, ano ba yan? Walang cherry.
Tapos na lang.
No more. Tapos na ang season ng cherries. Okay. Sige. So, ito na lang yung available na fruits.
Like a seed or peel.
Yeah.
Is a knife for cutting fruits?
Then we have 2.
1, 2.
Yeah, for her, for me, yeah?
Good fruits for you.
So, there's a guide.
Not ready to eat yet.
Okay.
Okay. It was raining in the morning,
So,
the ground is very wet.
oh,
If you
okay.
want, you can see the rainbow.
Oh, okay. You have to eat it.
Oh, this is for
Yes, patayin mo muna kasi 10 minutes lang yan. Pwede mo lang daw kasi malikot. So, yan here. Wala nang cherries.
Hi, Dodo.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Here.
No.
It's okay. This
사실
picture.
okay.
So this one, these are not yet.
これ
No.
まだ no.
No, okay. So this is not ripe yet. Ito na po, pakuha na lang ako. Plums. Love, patingin.
Okay.
These are plums, pero hindi pa siya ripe. These are not ripe yet.
ね、やっぱ好みあるからね。よかったわ。
So where are the?
これブルーベリー。
That's blueberry. These are blueberries. We can get here.
Okay?
食べる。
Oh, okay.
Okay?
These are
Okay
the
to
ripe
eat.
ones.
これ。
Nakakuha nila. Fresh.
Sarap.
Mm.
Wishy.
これはノーだからね。これノ
Yeah.
ー。
Ito yan.
Ito na yung hinog.
これここ。
Where's the prune?
Ayan
Prune?
guys.
Ano niya?
Alin dito ito? Pwede na kaya ito?
Oh, yung medyo pula na yata.
Ito. Ayan.
I think.
Pwede na to?
Tingnan mo. Tinuturo niya, I'm not sure.
Ayan, siguro. This one? Pwede na.
I think. Ito lang maganda.
Ito yung hinog na. Eh, wala pang hinog eh. Parang hindi pa siya red. Dapat medyo red na. Ay, maganda dito. Ganyan. Hindi pa siya hinog. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kulay. So, wala ng cherries. So, ito, plums.
And blueberry.
Blueberry nandun.
Mamaya purun.
Nasaan ang prunes? Punta na kaya tayo sa prunes.
Open na.
Pero pwede tayong mag-pick, diba? Ano to, apple? Ah, may apple din sila. What are these?
This is prune?
Are these prunes?
Purun, yes.
Prunes, ayan. Ay, ang ganda na. Ayun o. These are prunes. Hinog na raw yan?
Ito yan.
Pwede na. Pwede na. How do we know?
やわいの。
How do we know if it's already? Kung hinog na siya. Ayan. Ito to.
かな。
Ayan. Ito hinog na. Pwede na tong kainin?
1個いただきたい。
Ha?
プルーンのね、やわいの触って脚立登ってみるかね。
No.
ある。
硬そう、
うん
全部。
One more?
食べたい。
プラムもねあるんだけどちょっと待って。ね、あっちにいるのでじゃあお手すきになったら
May apple
ここ
din.
でさ味見して。これやこいよ。
Apple can?
Wow.
食べる。これのこれまだ。
No?
これの
Hindi pa rin pwede yung apple.
Mm.
Masarap pa na.
Hindi pa pwede yung apple. Ang lalaki, no? Ito, ah. Ayan. Sarap.
Wishy.
ね食べてね。やわいね。オッケー。
Look at that, guys. Ang ganda dito. Medyo mainit lang, ano?
Hindi medyo may.
Mainit talaga. Oh, naku.
Sakit.
Mag-ingat. Ito ang puno ng prunes. So, kung alam paano siya namigil kanina ng ano, malambot.
Ang sarap, no?
Ang hinog na. I think pag malambot na. At ito lang ang ganda. Pero hindi pa pwedeng mag-bake. So, this container is for takeaway. So, ito na. So, we will pay. Guys, you can eat as much as you can. Kailangan init, kaya hindi na kami masyadong nakakain.